Do you know many people are having trouble with their Lenovo ThinkPad E440 showing a black screen? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check power. Ensure your laptop is properly connected to a power source and your power adapter is functioning. Step 2. Reset battery. Remove the battery, if removable, and hold the power button for 30 seconds. Then, reconnect and try again. Step 3. Adjust brightness. Adjust the screen brightness using the keyboard shortcuts or display settings. Step 4. Hard reset. Perform a hard reset by holding the power button for 30 to 60 seconds after removing external power and battery. Step 5. Inspect hardware. Ensure there are no hardware issues like a faulty display. Seek technical help if problems persist. Follow these steps to resolve the black screen issue on your Lenovo laptop. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Lenovo users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.